guys, it's me, Terri of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Wip Wall Wednesday episode. Okay, so this is a series that I've been doing every other Wednesday where I have taken a project, a work in progress, so a whip, off of my whip wall that I have. I have a pegboard that's got hooks on it where I have project bags hanging off of them, and there was about 10 I think hanging on there that I went through that had been hanging on there for a long time, so I said they were sleeping and I wanted to just go ahead and tackle them, either frog them or go ahead and do the project and just get them off my whip wall. Of course, probably just to free up my project bag so I can put a new project in there. But anyway, so I've been doing these videos to help me stay accountable to go ahead and get these sleeping whips woken up and finished. So the project that I chose to work on next was the Santa Claus wall hanging. This was a kit that I ordered from Mary Maxim. It was an end of Christmas sale. I think I got it at the end of 2018, and so I had barely done any work on it, and then I just hung it on my project wall, my whip wall. And so I got it, pulled it out and started working on it, and then I was showing you my progress on how I was doing on that project on my Wip Wall Wednesday videos. So here is my Santa Claus wall hanging. I did finish it, and here it is. So all finished, including the tassel. And as you can hear, can you hear that? There is 3 bells on the end of one on the end of each Santa's little hat there. Anyway, I really like the way it turned out. I like the way the beard was formed on the Santas. I thought that was really cute. And the little, they're beads, but they're like sew-on beads for the eyes. I thought turned out really cute. And so I'm glad I got this finished. So this will be now put up until Christmas comes, the end of this year, and then I will, and then I will be able to use this as one of my Christmas decorations. So I'm very glad to have this project done. Okay, so I thought I'd go ahead, since I was going to show you that I had finished that project, I thought I would go ahead and include in this video the next project that I'm going to be tackling. So I went over to my whip wall, poked around in my project bags, and found this one in this bag that I made. And yes, I did make this bag, and I was asked by several people where I got the pattern, and I looked and looked and looked, and I cannot find the pattern anywhere, so I'm sorry. But it was this Red Heart Super Saver yarn that I had forever. I think it was called Mexicana maybe, or something like that, and it just pulled that way on accident. I mean, I didn't do that, it did it on its own. So and of course this stripe right here, these stripes, the bands I added anyway, but I'm sorry, I can't find the pattern anywhere. Anyway, what is in this bag? Okay, this is the bag that I was working. It is a scrap crochet project, I guess you'd say, and it is a big pile of these rectangles that look like this. There's rectangles, and then there is just a very few of the short ones. So there's 2 different sizes, this size and then this size. Okay, now I was doing this, there's a big pile of them, I haven't counted them. Let me try to dump them out here and see. Pretty big handful of them that I was working on. Probably can't pick them all up, but see, I have quite a few of them. So now what I was going to do with this originally was, there was a pattern that was in an old crochet book that I had. I think I bought it off of Amazon. Let me see if I can find it right quick. Okay, I found it. It is called Big Book of Scrap Crochet Afghans, and it is a book I found off of Ravelry. I love books that are are made for using up scraps, and see it said scrap Afghan, so I have quite a few of these that I have collected. Anyway, in this book there is an Afghan called the Garden Pathway. Now let me show you the, I can't show you the pattern because I bought the book, but I will try to hold something up here to hide that. Let's use this. Okay. Okay, here you go. This is called the Garden Pathway right there. And it was made up of all those tiny little rectangles, as you can see, all sewed together in a kind of brick-like formation, I guess. And I thought that was such a neat Afghan. I thought, oh, that'd be fun to make. And so I started working on them. And as you can see, that is the big pile of rectangles that I got done. And then I decided I had to do so many more of them that I decided that I was just not going to do it, because then I thought, oh, I'm going to have to sew all these together. What am I thinking? So anyway, this is what I'm going to be working with, and I'm going to figure out how I'm going to arrange these or what I'm going to do with them. And then next Wip Wall Wednesday, which will be 2 weeks from today, okay, yes, 2 weeks from today, I will come back on and I will show you my progress on what I decided to do as far as using these. So that is my upcoming Wip Wall Wednesday project. So that's it, guys. I hope y'all are having a great day, and hope everybody's just hanging in there. I know times are really weird right now, but let's just get through it together. So I'll talk to you later, guys. Tomorrow will be episode 146 of the Yarnjoy podcast, so be checking that out. And then I have another idea for a video possibly I'll do on Friday or Saturday, so a few videos upcoming. So hang in there, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.